Hi, welcome to North State Law. My name is Nick Dogle. I'm still the owner and founder. We safeguard your professional license so you can get back to business here. So we're going to do something that we've been doing recently, and it's basically we're going to take a little bit of a deep dive into a North Carolina Nursing Board Administrative Code. Now, these administrative codes are implemented by the Board of Nursing in North Carolina, and that is allowed through the North Carolina General Statute, the Nursing Practice Act. The next one that we're going to do in regards to neglecting a patient in need, essentially. So that's 21 NCAC 36.0217 subsection A10. And I'm going to include a link to that specific administrative code in the description of the video. So make sure to check that out as well. So what does it mean to neglect a client in a time of need? So basically, what does it mean to neglect a patient? So a couple examples of those are not doing vitals at regular intervals. So let's say that you work in critical care. You might need to do vitals, and I'm just throwing a number out there, don't get upset. Say you might need to do vitals every hour or every 30 minutes or every 2 hours, whatever the case may be. So you got to go in there, you not only do the actual vitals, but you have to document. And if you're missing by 30 minutes an hour and you're in a critical care setting, that might be looked upon by the facility and by the Board of Nursing as potentially neglecting that patient. Now, again, I'm putting timeframes out there. They might not be accurate, so don't hold me to the actual timeframes. I'm just using those as an example. So let's use something else as an example. Say you see a patient fall and you don't go over, you don't do an assessment, and you put the patient back in the bed and you go about your business. If somebody finds out about that, they could report you to the Board of Nursing, and that could be seen as neglecting a patient as well. So those are just two of multiple examples. Another one could be, hey, you're doing your routine check-ins with your patient in a non-critical care setting, and you have supposed to do it per policy of the facility within X amount of time. You either completely forget or you don't have time to do it because you're running around trying to help out a bunch of other people and you're short-staffed. That could also be seen as neglecting a patient. There's a bunch of other examples as well. Doing fraudulent documentation can also be seen as patient neglect as well. So you want to make sure that the biggest thing is you're doing your regular checks with your patients on the intervals that you're supposed to do them, and that you're also accurately documenting, right? Because you want to make sure that everybody else that's part of the care team is knowing what's going on with the patient. You also want to make sure that you actually do provide medication when medication is to be provided by the patient, and that you accurately document what was given, when it was given, and in what quantity it was given, and most importantly, that you put down in the correct patient's chart all that information, okay? So that is it for that particular administrative code. If you have any questions, please make sure to check out our website. It's northstatelawfirm.com. We've got a lot of blog posts on there. You can also check out our YouTube channel. If you still can't find what you're looking for from either one of those, then please give us a call at 919-521-8810 for a free 15-minute discovery call with a member of my staff. You can also text that 919-521-8810 number and get set up for the aforementioned discovery call. I hope everybody has a fantastic day, and thank you so much for taking care of North Carolina. Bye-bye.